Something metallic is bleeding through space, and it isn't from Earth. 3E Atlas slices the solar system at over 130,000 miles per hour, and what astronomers found shattered every expectation. This wasn't an icy wanderer. It was leaking nearly 10 pounds of pure nickel every second. Not nickel mixed with iron as stars forge, but refined nickel, separated and isolated, an industrial signature in vacuum. Iron, the cosmic twin, was almost absent. The composition was too tidy, too manufactured. Scientists muttered on. Spotted from Chile on July 1, 2025, 3E Atlas arrived like a myth. Spectra from the Very Large Telescope showed a coma of nickel vapor and an absurd carbon dioxide to water ratio, 8 parts carbon dioxide to 1 of water, defying every comet model. Objects don't purify metals in interstellar space. Only technology does. Then its path unnerved astronomers. A retrograde route passing Venus, Mars, Jupiter in a single improbable sequence. Odds 0.005%. Its close approach behind the Sun kept its most active phase hidden. Signals followed. Not radio chatter, but metallic signatures encoded in chemical ratios, molecular math that suggested intentional structure. Some proposed a von Neumann scout, a probe encoded in matter, broadcasting in chemistry instead of sound. More unnerving, asteroids that brushed its wake showed tiny, unexplained orbital shifts, gravitational whispering, as if 3E Atlas could tweak its neighborhood. James Webb's MIRI instrument added another shock. Instead of cooling, the object's core warmed in steady pulses, 51.2 minutes, then 17.07, matching the timing of its gravitational murmurs. A reactor, not a rock. The Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter recorded an electromagnetic echo on the Moon's far side mirroring the object's metallic frequency. Either 3E Atlas reached the Moon, or something there answered. The implication: the Moon might be part of its route, waiting or activated. Then silence. After weeks of structured emissions, 3E Atlas went mute, total, simultaneous across observatories, precisely 1 hour after the lunar echo. It didn't fade, it shut off. Eye analysis unearthed microburst, high-frequency binary streams embedded in molecular emissions. The chemistry itself was a digital line of code. When compared to catalogued fast radio bursts, analysts found a near match with FRB 20201124A from 400 million light-years away. Either a universal protocol existed or events were linked. Optical instruments caught a lensing-like distortion not explained by mass. Light bent as if by gravity, yet there was insufficient mass, suggesting an active field, a cloaking effect pulsing in sync with microburst. Then a global 37-second sensor blackout hit telescopes from Hawaii to Antarctica. Satellites briefly lost data. After the blackout, Atlas adjusted course by 0.008 degrees, tiny but intentional. Unauthorized military-grade infrared captured a 1.3-second hexagonal thermal bloom, geometry that screams manufacture. Magnetometers recorded Van Allen belt fluctuations timed with Atlas's crossing behind the Sun. Seismic arrays found an ultra-low frequency pulse in the Indian Ocean repeating every 12 minutes, directional, aimed upward, like a targeted pain. A commercial CubeSat in Leo began malfunctioning, then broadcast the same microburst signature. Our own satellite had become a relay. What began as a strange interstellar rock-leaking metallic vapor has unraveled into something else. A machine, a node, a messenger, maybe a test. It knew trajectories, frequented the Moon, manipulated local gravity, cloaked itself, warmed from within, and echoed its signal through our tech. We decoded part of its language, our satellites echoed it back. The handshake is complete. Now the question is plain: who built its network, and what reply will arrive? Every instrument, every ocean sensor, every satellite that hiccuped is now a witness. Brace yourself. This is no meteor. It's a message in motion, and the reply, when it comes, will change everything we thought we knew about being alone. Share your fear or hope. Subscribe and